Good day mga ka-CRT, welcome again to our channel. This video is intended for ECT board exam takers. And this is about practice exam series for ECT board exam. Let's begin with part 1, numbers 1 to 10. As a reminder, be ready with your pen, paper, and calculator. Read the following questions carefully and write the letter of your choice in your paper. Let's begin. For number 1, what are the roots of the quadratic equation x squared minus 7x plus 12? Letter A, 4 and 3. Letter B, negative 4 and 3. Letter C, 4 and negative 3. Letter D, negative 3 and negative 4. For number 2, what is the name of the distance an AC signal travels during one complete cycle? Letter A, wavelength. Letter B, wave speed. Letter C, waveform. And letter D, wave spread. Number 3, what connects your transceiver to your antenna? Letter A, the power cord. Letter B, a ground wire. Letter C, a feed line. Letter D, a dummy load. Number 4, if the conductor resistance is 50 ohm and the current passing through it is 5 amperes, what is the value of potential difference? Letter A, 25 volts. Letter B, 250 volts. Letter C, 100 volts. Letter D, 225 volts. Number 5, when the length of the conductor is doubled and the area of the cross-section remains the same, then its resistance is letter A, remains the same. Letter B, will be doubled. Letter C, will become half. Letter D, will increase by 4 times. Number 6, for a transformer with primary turns 400, secondary turns 100, if 20 ampere current is flowing through primary, we will get blank. Letter A, 800 ampere at secondary. Letter B, 40 ampere at secondary. Letter C, 80 ampere at secondary. Letter D, 5 ampere at secondary. Number 7, when is the effectivity date of RA 9292? Letter A, April 17, 2004. Letter B, April 27, 2004. Letter C, May 17, 2004. Letter D, May 27, 2004. Number 8, the ideal test equipment to use for locating shorts in digital circuitry is the blank and blank. Letter A, logic probe and clip. Letter B, logic pulsar and logic probe. Letter C, current tracer and logic pulsar. Letter D, current tracer and logic clip. Number 9. The capacitive reactance of a 25 microfarad capacitor connected to a 60 Hz line is letter A, 106.1 ohms. Letter B, 420 ohms. Letter C, 2.4 ohms. Letter D, 1,500 ohms. Number 10, from the Manual of Practice of Electronics Engineering Practitioners, the keystone of professional conduct is letter A, integrity. Letter B, justice. Letter C, courtesy. Letter D, honesty. Next is comment down your answers and I will reply to it para magka-idea kayo sa key answers. See you in numbers 11 to 20.